Cordless vacuums have come a long way, and today's models are powerful enough to handle everyday messes without the bulk of a traditional upright. In this video, we're breaking down what actually matters in the best cordless vacuums reviews, focusing on real-world performance, comfort, and how these machines fit into daily life. If you want to check current prices, you'll find links for each model in the description below. Honestly, before we get too far in, I'm very interested to hear what kind of floors you're cleaning most at home. Hard floors, carpets, or a mix, because that usually changes what people look for in a cordless vacuum. We'll start with the Levoit LVAC 200, and this is a vacuum that immediately feels designed for real life. When you pick it up, the lightweight build-in balance design make it easy to move naturally through your space, whether you're cleaning open rooms, stairs, or tight areas around furniture. The motor delivers dependable suction for everyday cleaning, easily lifting dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets. As you guide it forward, the motorized brush roll keeps consistent contact with the floor, helping pull debris inward instead of pushing it around, which gives you a steady, controlled cleaning experience. As you continue using the LVAC 200, the tangle-resistant brush roll becomes especially valuable if hair is a constant issue in your home. Long hair and pet fur are managed at the brush level rather than wrapping tightly around it, so suction stays consistent from start to finish. The slim cleaning head allows you to reach under couches, beds, and cabinets where dust quietly accumulates, and the LED headlights illuminate debris on darker floors, giving you immediate visual confirmation of what you're cleaning. The cordless design adds to the sense of freedom. You can move from room to room without interruptions, and the removable battery supports extended cleaning sessions for apartments or medium-sized homes. Emptying the dustbin is simple and hygienic, keeping cleanup quick and hands-off. Over time, this ease of use makes the vacuum something you reach for often rather than avoid. Living with the Levoit LVAC 200 feels refreshingly uncomplicated. It's the kind of great cordless vacuum that fits naturally into your routine, making frequent cleaning easier and more approachable without demanding extra effort or attention. Moving on to the LG Cordzero Q3 cordless stick vacuum cleaner, you immediately notice a more refined, engineered feel. LG's smart inverter motor delivers strong, stable suction that feels smooth and controlled as you move across hard floors and carpets. The vacuum glides easily around furniture legs and baseboards, and the slim profile of the cleaning head helps you reach edges and corners without awkward repositioning. As you spend more time with the Cordzero Q3, its multi-surface performance becomes clear. The cleaning head adapts well as you transition between flooring types, maintaining steady airflow and pickup. The washable filtration system works continuously while you clean, capturing fine dust particles so the air exiting the vacuum feels noticeably cleaner, especially in enclosed rooms or frequently used spaces. Battery performance supports uninterrupted cleaning for typical living spaces, allowing you to move through multiple rooms without constantly checking remaining power. Switching to handheld mode feels seamless, making it easy to clean shelves, upholstery, and even car interiors while maintaining consistent suction and control. At this point, I'm genuinely curious. Are you someone who cares more about raw suction power, or do features like comfort, noise level, and battery life matter more to you in everyday cleaning? Let me know in the comments because I'm honestly interested. Over time, the Cordzero Q3 establishes itself as a dependable everyday cleaner. It offers a thoughtful balance of comfort, performance, and versatility, making it a strong choice for anyone looking for a reliable, well-rounded cordless vacuum that feels engineered for long-term use. Next up is the Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum IALG 862H, and this is where cleaning begins to feel intelligent and responsive. As soon as you start vacuuming, the vacuum automatically senses how much debris is present and adjusts suction power accordingly. The PowerFin's brush roll maintains constant contact with the floor, digging into carpets while gliding smoothly across hard surfaces, so you don't need to think about changing settings as you move. One of the most distinctive parts of using the Stratos is how effectively it handles both pet hair and fine dust at the same time. Dual CleanSense technology continuously adapts to what's beneath the vacuum, while the built-in odor neutralization system subtly freshens the air as you clean. This becomes especially noticeable in high-traffic areas or homes with pets, making the entire experience feel cleaner and more complete. As you continue cleaning, the seal system and advanced filtration capture allergens and fine particles, which is reassuring if air quality matters in your home. The LED headlights reveal dust along edges and under furniture that would otherwise go unnoticed, helping each pass feel deliberate and thorough. In daily use, the Shark Stratos feels powerful yet controlled. It adapts effortlessly to changing conditions, making it a strong contender among anyone researching a top-rated cordless vacuum that combines intelligence, power, and comfort in real-world use. Now we move into premium territory with the Dyson Vibe 15 Detect, where cleaning becomes more precise and informative. The built-in sensor actively counts and measures microscopic dust particles, automatically adjusting suction when more debris is detected. On the LCD screen, you see real-time data showing exactly what's being picked up, which fundamentally changes how you understand cleanliness in your home. The Laser Slim Fluffy Cleaner Head projects a precisely angled green laser across hard floors, revealing fine dust that's invisible under normal lighting. As you move forward, debris becomes clearly visible, giving you instant confirmation that the floor is truly being cleaned. On carpets, the High Torque Cleaner Head lifts embedded debris and pet hair while maintaining smooth forward motion. The Hyperdymium motor delivers strong, consistent suction that feels effortless to guide. Automatic power balancing helps maximize runtime as you move through different rooms, and switching to handheld mode feels intuitive thanks to the well-designed attachments for furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. Living with the Dyson Vibe 15 Detect gives you insight as well as performance. You're no longer guessing whether an area is clean. You can actually see and measure the results, which makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking a great cordless vacuum that blends technology with real cleaning confidence. Finally, we arrive at the Dyson Gen 5 Detect, where cordless vacuum technology reaches its most advanced form. From the moment you pick it up, the balanced weight and solid construction are immediately noticeable. Dyson's most powerful cordless Hyperdymium motor delivers exceptional suction across all floor types, and as you move through your home, performance remains steady and controlled without feeling overwhelming. The 5-stage HEPA filtration system is a defining feature of the Gen 5 Detect. It captures particles as small as 0.1 microns and seals them inside the vacuum, so fine dust and allergens aren't released back into the air. As you clean, rooms feel fresher, especially in enclosed or frequently used spaces, reinforcing the idea that the vacuum is improving air quality as well as floor cleanliness. The Gen 5 Detect continues Dyson's visual and data-driven approach with even greater refinement. The Laser Slim Fluffy Cleaner Head once again reveals fine dust on hard floors, guiding your passes with precision, while the LCD screen displays real-time information about particle sizes being captured. Automatic suction adjustment responds instantly to changing floor conditions, so your cleaning flow stays uninterrupted from room to room. In everyday use, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect feels like a long-term investment in effortless cleanliness. The extended runtime supports full home cleaning in a single session, and the push-button power control reduces hand fatigue during longer cleanse. When you're finished, the hygienic bin emptying system keeps contact with dust to a minimum, leaving you with a sense of completion rather than extra cleanup. To wrap things up, each of these cordless vacuums shines in a slightly different way, from lightweight simplicity to smart adaptability and cutting-edge precision. Seeing them side by side makes it easier to match a vacuum to how you actually clean, not just what looks good on paper. Before you go, I'm genuinely curious which one feels like the best fit for your home and why. Honestly, let me know in the comments because I love seeing how different homes need different solutions. If you want to explore any of these further or check availability, you'll find links to the current prices in the description below. Whichever direction you go, Each of these earns its spot as a top-rated cordless vacuum by delivering consistent performance and a more satisfying everyday cleaning experience.